Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install PHP 8.0 on Windows 10 with Nginx Web Server. So here you can see that PHP 8.0 is available in two flavors, non-thread safe and thread safe edition. So we are going to download non-thread safe edition in order to run PHP in Nginx Web Server. So PHP requires Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2019 runtime should be installed. So make sure you have downloaded the Visual C++ redistributable package as I am shown here. It's already installed. So now let us proceed to install. So here you can see that I have downloaded the PHP 8.0 non-thread safe zip file. So I am opening that. I am checking whether php-cgi.exe is available. So this exe is very important. So through this only Nginx Web Server will be communicating. So I have extracted the content to one directory called php 8.0 underscore nts. So I extracted the content to this directory. Now next step what I am going to do is I am going to right click this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. So here I am going to edit the path variable. So in the path variable I am going to point this php underscore nts directory. Yes, so that all the executables will be available in the command prompt. Okay, save the settings. Now program and features. So here you can see that I have already installed Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2019 redistributable package. So make sure that it is installed. So it is a mandatory. Then only PHP 8 will be working. Next, I am opening the command prompt. I am checking whether PHP commands are available in the command line. php-v give you the PHP version installed, and php-m will list down what are the modules available in the PHP 8 distribution. Okay, here you can see that I have already installed the Nginx Web Server. So now I am going to edit the configuration file called nginx.conf, which is in the conf directory. So now I am opening the nginx.conf. So you can see that around line number 64 to 72, I had made the changes. So fast-cgi underscore pass 127.0.0.1 colon 9999 I am passing, and also I have edited fast-cgi underscore param. Make sure that you have done the same changes I have shown here. So next step is I am going to start the php-cgi daemon. So php-cgi daemon is very important. So through this daemon only Nginx server will be communicating. So I am starting the php-cgi daemon now. So this is the command to start the php-cgi daemon. php-cgi space -b 127.0.0.1 colon 9999. So on the port 9999 only php-cgi daemon will be running. So through this port only Nginx Web Server will be communicating. So now next step is I am going to start the Nginx Web Server. So this is the command to start the Nginx. So you can see that I have already copied the welcome.php file under HTML directory of Nginx Web Server. So this will be the document root. So this HTML directory will be the document root, which I have already mentioned in the nginx.conf file. Now I am checking whether Nginx is up or not. Yes, Nginx is up. Next I am typing localhost /welcome.php. Yes, You can see that PHP 8.0 is up and running in the Nginx Web Server. So you can verify. Server API is pointing to fast-cgi. So these are the PHP modules available by default. So everything will be displayed in the welcome.php. So PHP 8.0.0 installation on Windows 10 with the Nginx Web Server is successful by enabling the fast-cgi daemon. Make sure that you have installed Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2019 redistributable package in order to run PHP 8.